Did you know that an estimated 11 plane crashes occur worldwide every single month? That's right. And while the aviation industry is one of the safest modes of transportation, tragedies still happen. Today, we are diving into one of the most shocking incidents of 2024, a plane crash in Brazil that took the lives of all 61 passengers on board. On February 23, 2024, a commercial flight operated by Brazil's national airline met a tragic fate. Taking off from São Paulo and bound for Rio de Janeiro, this flight was carrying 61 passengers and crew members who never made it to their destination. This heartbreaking incident has left families devastated and raised serious questions about aviation safety. The airline industry prides itself on safety, with millions of flights operating smoothly each year. However, events like this crash highlight the ongoing challenges in ensuring that every flight is secure. Factors like aging fleet, human error, and even external conditions can play a role in these tragedies. The implications of such an incident ripple outwards, families are torn apart, and the entire aviation industry faces increased scrutiny. The question looms: what went wrong, and how can we prevent future tragedies? Diving deeper into this tragic event, we learned that the flight encountered severe weather conditions shortly after takeoff. Reports mention heavy rain and strong winds in the area, raising concerns about visibility and control. Additionally, initial investigations have suggested potential technical failures in one of the aircraft's key systems. The airline, known for its extensive history in South American air travel, has faced scrutiny in the past over maintenance practices. Was this incident a result of negligence, or was it an unavoidable accident? Eyewitnesses reported seeing the plane struggling in the storm, which adds to the tragic narrative of a routine flight turned catastrophic. As the plane descended through the turbulent skies, chaos ensued. Eyewitnesses described the sudden drop in altitude as passengers screamed in panic. Emergency calls were made, but within minutes, the aircraft lost contact with air traffic control. Rescue teams rushed to the crash site, but what they found was a devastating scene. The swift response by emergency services illustrated the urgency of the situation, but sadly, it was too late for those on board. The heartbreak and confusion felt by families waiting for news were palpable, as they clung to hope that their loved ones might be found alive. In the aftermath of the crash, authorities launched a full investigation to determine the cause. Initial findings indicated a mix of severe weather and possible technical failures, leading to questions about the airline's operational protocols. Families of the victims have been left grappling with unimaginable loss, and the aviation industry is now faced with the daunting task of restoring public trust. This tragic event serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of stringent safety measures in aviation. What are your thoughts on aviation safety? Do you think enough is being done to prevent incidents like this from happening? Share your opinions in the comments below, and if you want to learn more about aviation disasters and their impact, check out our next video. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.